Welcome the vibrant essence of spring into your home with our curated collection of decoration ideas. From delicate florals to rustic accents, these suggestions will infuse your living space with the rejuvenating spirit of the season. Elevate your decor with a cluster of baby's breath in an antique ironstone pitcher. Create an elegant statement by placing tall catkins in a stone floor urn with a narrow opening. Introduce sophistication to a neutral room with a beautiful white orchid in a chinoiserie catapult. Hang dreamy shears on the windows to achieve an ethereal ambiance. Add a pop of color to your space with a lacquer box. Bring nature indoors by placing a potted indoor tree in a rattan planter next to the buffet or in a corner. Infuse boho vibes into your decor with textures like macrame and fringes. Enhance your decor with a large airy birdcage placed on an accent table. Create a charming spring vignette by layering clay planter pots on a wooden riser. Add a personalized touch to your decor by DIYing a decoupage pitcher with floral or chinoiserie paper napkins. Incorporate country style into a chic space with a chippy wooden stool in a pretty color. Brighten up your space with a bleached teak bowl filled with perky lemons and greenery. Decorate a clean white wall with basket wall art for a rustic touch. Add character to your space by tucking faux olive branches into a rugged vintage jug. fireplace with a pampas grass wreath for a natural yet elegant look. Embrace the festive spirit with a trio of charming Easter dish towels folded over the oven door handle. Create a cozy atmosphere in the kitchen by displaying your favorite spring recipe book on a cookbook stand. Keep your living space organized and stylish by storing reading materials in a seagrass basket next to the couch. Add a touch of whimsy to your mantel vignette with fall artichokes, carrots, and asparagus. Bring a playful element to your mudroom with a pair of lime green garden clogs or yellow rain boots in a boot tray. With these spring decoration ideas, your home will exude warmth, charm, and the delightful essence of the season. Let the beauty of spring inspire your decor and create a welcoming sanctuary for you and your loved ones.